You again, little thief?
I'll be back, trust me.
You come back.
My
Come back.
wallet! Not going to hurt you. My wallet.
How about we split it? 50-50.
What? That's my wallet. My money. Give it to me.
Okay. What about 70-30?
Thank you.
Calm down, the money's all there. I didn't take any money.
I'll check anyway.
40% of your salary and tips.
Bullshit! Anything I earn on stage is mine, and you know it, don't you?
You want to find some other place to work? Go ahead then, it's fine. Your skinny pale ass doesn't bring much in anyway.
Fuck you!
You know what? If you did, then maybe I'd drop to 35%.
Johnny, please, it was an accident. I really need this job, you know I do.
No. You really fucked up this time.
Please, Johnny, I'm begging you.
Let go! That's my sister! Sis!
I need this.
The money now!
Leave her alone!
Adi, don't!
What? Huh? What now? You gonna apologize? Well, where's the money? Quickly! Give it to me! Because of this behavior today, I'm gonna take 100%. Am I clear? See you tomorrow, okay? Did you get that? Don't be late.
Let her go.
You should think about walking, friend. Ah! Do you know who you're fucking with?
No, I don't. Now give her the money. It would be a good idea for you to go back inside and forget about all this. What do you think? Huh? That's good.
Please, Johnny, you're being unfair. I have nothing to do with this.
I gave you a job when no one else would, and this is how you repay me, Astrid? Look what you did. You never set foot in this place again. Let's see how long you last with your precious fucking tips now.